Thanks for your interest in the upcoming HauntLabs live event. Grab your shovels because we are digging deep into haunt technology with the Haunt Tech 6 Feet Under 3-day course. Hi, I'm Ian Austin and I own HauntLabs. I started my career in mobile computing, helping design the rugged handheld computers you see being used by delivery drivers across the country. I've spent 17 years writing code and working with hardware, mechanical, and test engineers to deliver the best products possible. Today, my career is based solely in entertainment. I am one of the owners of Circle of Ash Haunted Attraction located in Central City, Iowa. I've been building and operating successful haunted houses for the last 20 years, overseeing the use of technology in my show, as well as at many other haunts throughout the country that have sought my skills and advice. In this course, you will receive the knowledge, tools, and hands-on experience to implement some of the coolest technology we have available. I've invited some friends I've made along the way to help me teach this course, and together we have over 50 years of experience building amazing attractions. You will learn about building a solid foundation for all of your tech with a reliable power system. Because haunts are often large and cover so much ground, having a well-designed system is essential to the success of your show. Audio is often overlooked. When it's done well, it will add an element that will scare your customers to their core. We will teach you everything you need to know from sourcing music and effects, designing the system, and deploying dozens of channels of audio to all of the scenes in your haunt. We will even discuss how your acting staff can benefit from body-worn audio, enhancing their performance and saving their voice. Next, we will talk all about control. Many prop controllers are expensive. What if you could take the cost of that one controller and build 3, 5, 8, or even more for the same money? All you need is a little education and some hands-on training. We will work with common and reliable platforms like the Arduino and Raspberry Pi, including using audio and video in our props and scenes. On the third day, we talk about pneumatics. You'll learn how to design a reliable, quality system that can deliver enough air to meet all of your needs. We will teach you about the materials, connectors, and components of the system, how to hook it up, and how to avoid pitfalls. Finally, you'll learn all about DMX, the theatrical standard for lighting control. You'll get hands-on with the show control software and real DMX lights so you can see your work in action. You'll receive 4 nights in a lovely hotel, and all attendees will be in the same place so you can continue learning from each other into the evening. We will take field trips to 2 of our local haunts to see how technology helps overcome the challenges of running these events, and 2 of your meals will be provided each day. We kick off with a party to get to know each other and finish the course with a farewell breakfast on Sunday. You will receive a USB drive with all the class materials, software, and tools used in the class, along with 2 controllers and an electronics kit to take home. You will receive email support for up to 6 months after the course, where you can get guidance or help with a problem you have. All attendees will receive a video recording of the course so you can review the material again later, or even share it with someone else in your organization. I hope that you can see the value in this course. To keep class sizes low and access to instructors high, this course is limited to a total of 10 slots, which will fill up very quickly. So what are you waiting for? Register today and take control of your haunt technology.